Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you will be good. The cut I'm going to show you today is a mid-length style with a round bang. This style lets your hair fall from different directions to express feminine beauty. The sections were divided into under sections and over sections based on the parietal bone and occipital bone. Work the finger line in the first section. From the second section, we proceed elevation 45-degree square gradation. Continue 45-degree elevation. The same goes for the other side. First section of the front side is cut by pulling to the previous section. Put and cut all sections. The last remaining section is cut shorter at the bottom. Work around the lines along the end of the lips. The same goes for the other side. section has completed the round gradation work. For over sections, use over direction to make a triangle shape. Proceed 45-degree elevation for each section. Put back to make a triangle shape. The hair to remove the remaining corners. Now we have finished the cut. We created a feminine style using different round shapes, triangle with long fronts, and round bangs. Elegance Bob. Give it a try. If you want to know about a particular haircut, then text in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.